The Pnuematic ST-M5034B provides multiple functions, including sawing, filing, deburring, and more. With its precise control, the air body saw effortlessly cuts tight curves, circles, and angles. 9,000 strokes per minute, it can effectively cut through 3 mm sheet metal. Accessories include a hex key for quick attachment changes. The air body saw features an adjustable blade guide for dialing in the cutting depth. The air body saw is a versatile tool ideal for pipe cutting, woodworking, metal fabrication, automotive body shops, and home improvement projects. Pnuematic. Make jobs better than ever.